In this video, we will learn about Bhujangasana. So get ready. Lie down on your abdomen. Press your palms at your chest line on your mat. Lift your head up, chest up, come up, look up, breathe. Press your shoulder blades down and lift your spine up. Keep breathing. Slowly come down to your mat and release. Watch again. Press your palms at your chest line on your mat. Slowly lift your head up, chest up, come up, breathe, look up. If you are unable to do so, slowly come down. Now take your palms a little forward and press your elbows on the mat. Slowly lift your head up, chest up, spine up, breathe, look forward or slightly up, breathe, and slowly come down. Slowly release. Bhujangasana is also called as Cobra pose. Some of the benefits of Bhujangasana are it strengthens the spine and back muscles, which help to improve the posture and reduce the back pain. It opens the chest and shoulders, which reduces the tensions in these areas and improves the breathing pattern. It tones the abdomen muscles, which can improve the core strength and stability.